Our goal today is to create a profitable trading strategy using just 2 free indicators. Alright, open up a Bitcoin chart with a 15-minute time frame. The first indicator we'll be using is called the best allowed all-MA indicator. Don't worry, it's super simple to add. Just locate the indicator section, search for best allowed all-MA, and once you find it, give it a click to add it to your chart. What this nifty little indicator does is it combines two moving averages to generate a color-coded cloud on the chart. However, before we dive into using it, we'll need to tweak a few settings. So head over to the settings menu and in the input section, ensure the source is set to close. Then let's switch up the type of the moving averages to RMA. After that, we'll adjust the length to 14. Following that, we'll leave the second moving average type as its default EMA and then go ahead and change its length to 90. Lastly, let's activate the color based on trend option. Now, we'll hop over to the style section and disable the shapes option since we won't be needing them for this particular strategy. Feel free to customize the colors and opacity of the MA lines and the cloud to suit your preferences. Awesome, we're all set with our first indicator. But before we move on to the second one, imagine this. You've been putting the countless hours trying to outsmart the market, eyes glued to your screen and fingers itching to make the next big trade. It's tiring and time consuming, right? But what if you could change all that? Enter Nordman Algorithms. With their innovative trading solutions, you can take a step back, relax, and let a skilled robot handle your trades for you. Nordman Algorithms specializes in programming and developing custom trading algorithms and indicators for trading platforms including MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, NinjaTrader, cTrader, TradingView, TradeStation, Quantower, and Tradovate. What does this mean to you? No more endless screen time, no more split-second decision making, and no more missing out on profitable trades. Nordman Algorithms can do the heavy lifting, so you don't have to. Nordman Algorithms boost a dream team of financial market experts, algorithmic trading gurus, and programming wizards who truly understand the intricacies of each trading platform. They're not just tech savvy, they also excel at understanding your specific trading needs and tailor their solutions accordingly. The team of Nordman Algorithms can tackle any trading automation project, no matter how complex. They cover a wide range of trading styles and strategies like arbitrage, scalping, trend following, swing trading, pattern-based strategies, news trading, price action, support and resistance, and more. What if you're new to the world of algorithmic trading? Fear not. Nordman Algorithms offers free consultations with their developers to guide you in selecting the right platform and broker for your needs. Plus, they'll help you automate your strategies and develop custom indicators at no extra cost. Unlike many others in the custom programming and development market, Nordman Algorithms stands out with their exceptional expertise in converting strategies and indicators between numerous platforms such as MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, NinjaTrader, cTrader, TradingView, TradeStation, Quantower, Tradovate, and Thinkorswim. But that's not all. Nordman Algorithms goes the extra mile by offering a variety of tailored services for each platform. Personalized order management panels and dashboards, custom drawing tools on charts, seamless integration of individual solutions using trading platforms API, development of unique modifications for strategies and indicators, creation of trade copiers that simplify and synchronize your trading operations across platforms. With glowing reviews on Trustpilot and ForexP's Army, Nordman Algorithms has built an enviable reputation in the trading community. Ready to elevate your trading experience? Click the Nordman Algorithms website link in the description below and unlock a world of customized automation and trading solutions. With Nordman Algorithms by your side, the sky's the limit. Alright, back to the strategy. Now that we've got our first indicator all set up, let's move on to adding the second one to our chart. We'll be using Impulse MACD Lazy Bear indicator to help us filter out those low potential signals and keep us from falling into the false signals trap. This handy tool will ensure we're focusing on the most promising opportunities. Just like before, we'll need to make a few minor adjustments to get the most out of this indicator. Head over to the settings, and in the Inputs tab, let's go ahead and change the length MA from 34 to 100. After that, we'll leave the length signal as its default value of 9 and disable the bar color. Moving on to the Style tab, let's make the midline stand out a bit more for easier visualization. Then we'll switch up the Impulse MACD type to Area and assign the following colors: green for 0, white for 1, red for 2, and white for 3. Lastly, we'll disable any remaining options. Great, now we've got both of our indicators locked and loaded, and we're ready to start making some serious cash with this straightforward buy-sell indicator strategy. To enter a long trade, we'll first need to ensure that there's an uptrend in the market. Keep an eye out for the price rising above the green cloud. That's a good sign. Next, watch for a pullback to that green cloud, followed by locating the most recent swing high in the market. Once you've found it, go ahead and draw a horizontal line. What we're looking for now is a bullish breakout. That's our buy signal. But before we jump the gun, let's double check that the Impulse MACD Lazy Bear indicator is showing green. Once all these conditions are met, we can confidently open that buy trade. As for the best stop loss area for this trade, consider using the most recent swing low in the market. And when it comes to exiting the trade with a profit, aim for 1.5 times the risk of the trade. And when it comes to sell trades with this strategy, we'll be focusing on identifying a downtrend in the market. Keep a close eye on the price action and watch for price dropping below the red cloud. This is a telltale sign that a sell opportunity might be on the horizon. As the price retraces the red cloud, it's time to get ready for a potential sell signal. Next, you'll need to locate the most recent swing low in the market and draw a horizontal line at that level. Once you've done that, be on the lookout for a bearish breakout. This is your sell signal. But before jumping in, double check the Impulse MACD Lazy Bear indicator is showing red to confirm the signal. With all these conditions met, you can confidently enter a sell trade. For a stop loss, consider placing it at the most recent swing high. And when it comes time to exit the trade with a profit, aim for 1.5 times the risk of the trade. Remember, patience and discipline are key in the world of trading. Sticking to a solid strategy and keeping an eye on the market conditions will help you make informed decisions and capitalize on profitable opportunities.